Good morning, Toto and Lek.
One.
Good morning.
A 3,
Let's go
a
get
4.
cars that are violating the laws.
Toto, good luck today. 1, a 2, a 3,
Hey, Lek,
a 4.
we just got a report. Let's move.
Our first guest for today. Toto, let's do this.
Okay.
What?
Woohoo!
The little buses? Haha.
Oh gosh, you scared me. Oops, did I fall asleep? Oh, something's weird. Oh.
We got him. Now, Toto.
Hey, Gani, wait there. Oh, I think I have to go to an auto repair shop. Oh, Toto, stop there, smoking bus. Oh, you can't fall asleep in the middle of the road. Uh-oh.
You are arrested. No, Toad.
No way. Come up now. Oh, no, you're hurting me.
Don't be so naive.
Let me go to the auto
Lift 'em
repair
up.
shop. Let me go. I'm getting all the vehicles that violate the laws. Release me.
What did you do wrong?
Forward, backward. I never follow traffic signs. Ignore the speed limit.
Huh? There's a violating car.
Let's go, Toto.
Huh?
Go closer. Halt, tyrant. Morning right there. Now.
Gosh, I got cut.
You just violated hundreds of traffic rules. Stop racing on the road.
Hey, Morning. What did you do wrong? Oh,
Be quiet, Morning.
This is so annoying.
Repeat after me. Traffic rules. Traffic rules.
Traffic rules. Traffic
Rules.
Traffic rules.
Ha! Traffic rules are on me. Ha 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 ha.